In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Grammarly Chrome extension. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. We'll work right from the browser, so make sure it's up to date and that you're using the desktop version, not a mobile browser. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner for the three vertical dots. That's the Chrome menu. Click it to open a list of options. From that menu, move your cursor to Extensions. A small side menu will appear. Choose the option that takes you to the Chrome Web Store. If your menu shows Manage Extensions instead, click that first. On the Extensions page, you'll see a link or button labeled Open Chrome Web Store. Either route gets you to the same official store where Chrome add-ons live. When the Chrome Web Store loads, use the search bar. Click in the box and type Grammarly, then press Enter. You'll see results related to writing and grammar. Look for Grammarly, Grammar Checker, and Writing app from the official publisher. You can confirm it by the familiar green G icon and strong reviews. Click the listing to open its details page so you can double check what it does and read a quick summary. On the extension page, click the blue Add to Chrome button. Chrome will show a small prompt describing the permissions the extension needs to work, such as reading and changing text on sites where you write. Review that information so you know what you're approving, and then click Add Extension to confirm. Chrome will download the files and install Grammarly automatically. After a moment, you'll see a confirmation that Grammarly has been added to Chrome. You might also notice a new tab opening with a brief tour or customization options. That's normal, and you can follow along or close it if you prefer. From here, Grammarly will be active in many text fields across the web, helping catch typos and offering suggestions as you type in emails, documents, forms, and more. If you're writing in a place where it doesn't appear, it could be a site that restricts extensions or a page that hasn't fully reloaded yet, so try refreshing the tab. That's it. You open Chrome, use the menu to reach the Chrome Web Store, search for Grammarly, and added the extension by confirming the permissions prompt. You're now set up to write with more confidence across your favorite websites.